Hello, I'd like to introduce V&S Corporations. The only name you need to have in mind to your home and property cares. Where excellence, innovation, and commitment to our customers define who we are. For over 3 decades, we've proudly served the communities of Southern California, providing a comprehensive suite of services designed to meet all your home and property management needs.
At V&S Cleaning Services Incorporated, we recognize the importance of maintaining clean and safe environments for both residential and commercial properties. Our dedicated teams are equipped with state-of-the-art tools and techniques to ensure that your spaces remain pristine and inviting. From janitorial cleaning to carpet, tile, and grout cleaning, we leave no stone unturned in our pursuit of excellence. When disaster strikes, our water damage restoration experts are on standby, ready to provide rapid response services, from water extraction to comprehensive property restoration. At V&S Water Damage Restoration, we understand the importance of maintaining a clean and safe environment in your property. Rest assured, we are licensed and insured, and we handle everything from water extraction to property restoration with the utmost care and professionalism.
But we are just starting. Because at V&S Carpet and Flooring Inc., our flooring specialists are passionate about transforming your floors into works of art. Whether it's carpet, vinyl plank, laminate, hardwood, or tile, we offer a wide selection of materials to suit your style and preferences. With meticulous attention to detail and unparalleled craftsmanship, we breathe new life into your living spaces. And with V&S Maintenance and Remodeling, we take pride in offering comprehensive solutions for all your home improvement projects. From minor repairs to full remodels, our team is dedicated to bringing your vision to life, ensuring that your property remains a reflection of your unique tastes and personality. What sets us apart is our commitment to providing all-in-one services for property managers and realtors. By partnering with V&S Corporations, you gain access to a diverse range of services under one roof, streamlining your operations and saving you time and hassle. Imagine having a single point of contact for all your cleaning, restoration, flooring, maintenance, and remodeling needs. That's the convenience and peace of mind we offer. For over 3 decades, we have been dedicated to exceeding the expectations of our clients and delivering results that speak for themselves. Whether you're a property manager looking to maintain the integrity of your properties, or a realtor seeking to enhance the appeal of your listings, V&S Corporations is your trusted partner for all your home and property management needs.
Contact us today at 562-444-1220 or email us at orders@vscorporations.com.
Visit our website at vscorporations.com to learn more about our services and make an appointment for a personalized attention. Thank you for considering V&S Corporations.